Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to HPM Tech. Today's new video: National support to the guidelines, aware and implement super and discretion, animate and support world business, entertainment, technologies, health. Today's majority writing left the state of IT. For our last 15 years, the most years annual the information technology is our 15 years is the most years annual experts growth of the IT and ITS sectors has been sold in double a digits. The information technology IT and IT enabled service IT sector has been among the faster growing Pakistan economic e- economy. Its expert for 2021-2022 are experts to look clock interest around 3.5 billions up to from 2.1 billions the province and a digitalized for and make and other distillation for economic expectations beginner deals. The information technology IT and IT enabled service IT sector has been among the and the fast growing in Pakistan economy. It is expert for 2021-2022 are experts to clock it is around 3.5 billionaires up to from 2.1 billions in the province years. Misuse in 66 per client increased over the last 15 years. Its most years annual export growth in this the IT and ITEL selected has been sold it and double clicked fully developed. This sector has been portal and the become hunk cross-state forking exchange needed after country during these times in defense time. Sectest government has been exchange needed and for a latest informations and along what is the most government ex 12% degree supported policy refund defense in the education time generated by making constant and the fully deployed selected as hunk government has included version degrees to support by interaction policy reforms inference and neglected by insect and it is time grade by milking in the grove primary by secondary risk index C towards its what are more port of investment biodata Forex earned for expert was Forex spin off imported by the selector IT and the other deals for machines exchange needed enduring time solid doubles and fully developed reforms infected induced by inject in the time green and milk cow secretaries taxis towards it. What are the more port investment biodata forex and debt support in 2016 to 2019 show internet addition forex in August of last year, Pakistan Software House and Associate issues its salary surveys 2021 details report that Indigo will in the background in documents complete wide company size, company type, journal, calendars, deposit the most rooms and grow computer science and related programming in college and the university our parts few delay in this IT and IT selected and still faces struggle in the skills capable professional work this in individual factors in the 15 per client company related in the region higher salary include high staff and for rate and provide features that's in the explained in the qualification working market staff demonstrate in the went to from the 14 to 18% range of GS from 2017 and 20 to 18 on company staff ranking sites and reason will be our noted noteworthy ranking the university listed almost all these ranking in declined order are nurses, fast nurses and constant GKIPA, UAT, Lahore, needed UAE, Bahria University and Cyst Industries language closely related employer reputation also factor into qualify university ranking such as time higher education the QS ranking reason especially for like and press